Hey, it's Nick with Zarifa USA. Today we're doing an unboxing video of the C Smart Plus massage chair. There are 3 boxes. One contains the arms, one contains the footrest, and one contains the main massage chair. Inside of there is all of the components, and there's a remote, and there's a power cable, which we're going to install in just a second. And before that, just show you real quick there's a couple of cards. There's a warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. There's a promotional card for a giveaway. There's a cleaning instruction, and then there's the manual, and we're in the process of redoing this. So by the next video, there might be a new manual, or you may get a newer manual than this. Yeah, and there's this Allen wrench in there. We'll need that in a second. There's some screws, and then I forgot to mention there's also some fuses, and just save these somewhere safe. They're just in case you need a backup fuse if the fuse were to ever blow. But the fuse already comes installed. Next, you're going to want to locate the remote and the power cable. We're going to install the remote into the chair, and we're going to plug in the chair, turn the power switch on, and start the chair up so it brings it up to regular position. Okay, next we're going to connect the armrest to the side, and this is the part that takes 2 people, just to make sure that you pay close attention to all the wiring and get it all tucked in correctly. Okay, first we're going to connect this wiring here and the air hose. So it comes in this covering to protect it, so you'll have to pull that back and connect these up to here. Next we're going to connect the LED wires, and we're going to mate these connectors up together. Next, we're going to install this screw right here. Next, we're going to install the 2 screws here and here. Lastly, install the screw hole cover, and then repeat all these steps for the other side of the chair. Then next will be the footrest. First, we need to remove these screws to open up these brackets. Next, we're going to want to remove this foam that's there to protect during shipping, and we're going to remove this cable tie that's also there to protect during shipping, and we're going to connect the air hose and this power cable block. Next, we're going to place this rotating sleeve on the post, and then we're going to lift this up. Okay, then we're going to put the set screw and install that in the top. Once that's done, the final steps are just to place this cover on top, zip this up, and that's it. The massage chair is assembled and it's ready to go.